Home and Lifestyle TV is always on the lookout for great solutions for better living. Today, we want to show you a few ways to help make your happy home a healthier and more efficient one in ways you've probably never even thought of, until now anyway. With winter approaching, we set out for some answers and found CW Service Pros for the top 5 tips for a healthier home this winter. We meet up with Karen Edmonds to discuss some of these exciting, trending solutions and how they're being used in homes and businesses across the country.
Most people assume that home technology hasn't changed over the last 20 or 30 years. But the exciting thing about being in home services is I get to share all these new technologies with the community. These things are changing not only how we think about our home, but also our health and our wellness.
Karen tells us that home services are no longer just about plumbing, heating, and cooling anymore. Things have really advanced in recent years.
One of the most exciting and new technologies that we install in our homes concerns air quality.
Are you looking to create a healthier, cleaner environment in your home? The Aeris Air Scrubber is a powerful air purification system that was designed to help maintain a healthy indoor air environment. This easily installed add-on eliminates up to 99% of many common surface and airborne contaminants, including viruses, bacteria, fungi, and molds. The Aeris Air Scrubber can be connected directly to your HVAC system and works by propelling disinfecting molecules into the air, which neutralize the microbes that they come in contact with in the air and when they land on surfaces. This helps eliminate dangerous pollutants and allergens that are commonly associated with many health issues such as allergies and respiratory conditions.
These technologies, they're changing how we think about not only our home, but our lifestyle and our wellness.
If you're like most people, you've wished for a way to save money on maintaining your clothing.
For the last 100 years, we've all thought that we need to use detergent to get our clothes clean, right?
The Laundry Pro 2.0 is the ultimate chemical-free appliance to get clothes and towels clean with no detergent, bleach, or softeners. How is this even possible? Using technology designed by NASA, this device of the future, available now, infuses cold water with hydrogen and oxygen-based oxidizing molecules that lift dirt and grime from the fibers of the clothes, leaving them clean, bright, and fresh, without the residue caused by laundry soaps.
Can you imagine not having to go to the grocery store and have laundry detergent on your grocery list? Now you don't have to. We can help our kids and our planet by no longer dumping all of those plastics into our landfills and to our water.
Even better, it is said to help restore fabric over time by removing soap residue and can save an average of $470 annually for a family of 4. Karen tells us that CW Service Pros can quickly install this environmentally friendly Laundry Pro 2.0 so you can enjoy clean, bright, and fresh clothes without the hassle and cost of using laundry soap ever again. Now for number 3. Water is crucial to our quality of life, right? So don't just watch it go down the drain while waiting for it to heat up.
Well, let's step into the modern world with a hot water recirculation pump.
On average, a person waits 20 seconds, 5 times a day, for tap water to heat up. In an average 3-person home, considering additional waiting time for showers and other appliances, this can add up to as much as 12,000 gallons per year. You can elevate your comfort and get hot water not only fast, but instantly, saving you time, money, and water. Did you know that over 80% of homes use hard water? What you may not know is that hard water can destroy your water pipes, heating system, and appliances.
People don't realize that hard water can cause your pipes to clog and get all of the scale buildup on your faucets, your appliances, inefficiencies on your water heater, as well as cost you extra money that you really shouldn't have to spend.
The modern hard water solution, protecting your home with a water descaling system. Its advanced chemical-free technology uses a unique combination of magnetic and ion exchange processes to reduce the scale buildup in your pipes, leading to greater flow and increased efficiency. All the benefits of water softener without the cost or waste. Sounds all like sci-fi, right?
This is a fast and cost-effective solution to all of your hard water issues. So enjoy all the benefits of softer water and keep the energy efficiency of all your appliances in your home. It's easy to use, it's a low cost to operate, it's a great solution for your home.
And number 5 of the top 5 ways to create a healthier, happy home environment. Does this sound like something from a space shuttle?
Most homeowners have no clue how much air is escaping from their attic.
Did you know that you can reduce energy costs by a whopping 20% by simply saving the lost air from your attic access through your roof? A national study determined that the value of your home will be increased by installing an attic access cover to help prevent leaking. We want to thank Karen and CW Service Pros for bringing us the modern times with all things home health and efficiency for better living and money savings.
So enjoy these top 5 solutions. Save money and energy in your home.
Feel free to call CW Service Pros, your home experts this winter, to help you stay warm with these 5 new home technologies. They've been servicing the DFW area for over 20 years and are available 24/7 for HVAC and plumbing needs when it just can't wait. But you have to tell them Home and Lifestyle TV sent you. Happy energy money savings, everyone!